Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on reserve rights. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that reserve rights has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that it was struggling to break out this quite long-term uptrend line resistance. You can see we got rejection here, we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and now we have broken out this uptrend line resistance, a quite long-term uptrend line resistance, and we are also breaking out this quite long-term resistance of $0.0055 as well, almost at half cents, that had been previously working as a resistance here. And before that, for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here as well. At the same time, reserve rights is also breaking out this quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that it has crossed up this lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is struggling to break out the upper bands. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that it has completely broken out this resistance of $0.0055. And now it is starting to break out this upper bands of the Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, there is a probability that while moving above this support of $0.0055 and the resistance of this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, finally the price end will be able to break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for reserve rights that I shared, by the way, on 29th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that reserve rights formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 12% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of reserve rights. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after the month of November 2020, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge and finding a quite nice and long-term support here at $0.0016, you can see for several weeks or months it has been testing this support. Finally, the price line geared up and broke out the resistance of this wedge, and at the same time, it also broke out this quite long-term resistance of $0.002 as well. And after that, imminently, it also broke out another resistance of $0.0026 that was previously working as a support here, resistance here. And now for the past, after the breakout for past several weeks, it had been working as a support here. But after getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance, you can see we found this uptrend line resistance when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. We got rejection here, here, and here after the breakout from this wedge, when the price and once again rejected by this resistance, we broke down the support of $0.0026 and almost retested the previous support of $0.002. The price and geared up and broke out this resistance once again, and also entered inside this Ichimoku bearish cloud. We have broken out this lower band resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is struggling to break out this upper band's resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. If I place a trend line here where we have this upper band resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, let me to change the color for this trend line to red color. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that right now the price line is moving between the resistance of this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. On the weekly time frame chart, we have this Ichimoku bearish cloud here. Not this is, by the way, on the daily time frame. Therefore, I've placed a trend line here. This is showing us the weekly Ichimoku bearish cloud's upper band resistance was here, and it is moving above this support of $0.0055. Therefore, now there is a probability that using this support, the price end will break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud very soon on the weekly time frame chart as well. And after breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, it will be flipped into a very strong support and long-term support for the price line. You can see that the cloud is also quite squeezed, and soon it can be flipped into a bullish cloud or green color. And after breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, the next long-term resistance will be, by the way, here. that is approximately at 1.1 cents. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is, by the way, here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 12 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.